to do the evaluation of the one leg hyperarch hop and see how you do. All right, get ready.
All right. Which foot?
Either one. You can start with either one. We're going to test both.
I'll start with my right foot. My left foot is kind of dead.
Okay. Okay, get ready. With tension and start. Squeeze. It's getting hard. Squeeze. Squeeze.
I'm on now. Fuck.
Yeah, until you cannot do it. Okay, good. Good is about a minute and 55 seconds. How do you feel?
Well, my glute like died. Like just it was so sore, and then I just lost a bit of tension. And then it was a bit of cough, and then yeah.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how much glutes do you feel?
Like lots. Like intense.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, it's a 10?
Yeah, probably a 9 or 10.
Very good. That's a good response. That's a good response right there. All right, rest a little bit, and we're going to test your other leg, other foot, to be exact.
They're like, it's like I explain it, it's like vibrating at the moment. That's what it feels like afterwards. It's like shaking a bit. I don't know.
Right. Okay, get ready. And start. Good. That your right foot is definitely much more stronger.
Yeah. That was probably a 6,
A 6?
maybe a 7 actually. I don't know.
7 out of
Like,
10.
yeah, it's quite strong. It's like I can also tense it like involuntarily. So like involuntarily, like I can just squeeze my arms and tense it. Like just I mean, yeah, it's quite strong.
Right. So how's this type of glutes engagement versus what you had before? What do you think? What is the difference?
Well, before I don't know, sometimes I feel hip flexor before on my left side, and now I feel basically glutes, and then when the tension goes down, it's calves and glutes, and then and then it'll be till like I can like keep like going before it just like the muscle just fatigue.
So how do you describe like what you have now? For example, on your right leg, the connection from the feet to the glutes.
My
Like,
right leg's my right leg's insane, to be honest. My right leg my right leg's like I said, my right leg's really bouncy. It's like bounce on my right leg all day. It's the dominant foot. Because I used it in football when I was younger a lot, but it's just like it is. I don't know. If I was about my right foot, I wouldn't really be. I don't know. I think it'd be a mediocre athlete, to be honest.
great, yeah, that's good. Okay, so now we're going to the second evaluation, which is the Hyperarch lunge.